because it's beautiful. It's art and it's an investment. So it's pleasing to the eye, it's got creativity involved, and at the same time it's an investment. So I think there are three things that go together. It's something that I wear. So I think what better thing or what better product to endorse if you don't, it's something that I use, right? It's something that I use. So I think that's the best product to endorse, something that you use. Hopefully, yes, one day. That would be great, right? That would be great to be a brand ambassador of something that I love so passionately. I love being a part of the Indian film industry, and I would love to be the brand ambassador. Yes, actually last year I did buy something from the Anant line, which was a single solitaire bracelet, single line solitaire bracelet. That was something else that I endorsed for JPEG. You know, I think diamonds are always something. I love emeralds, I love rubies, I love sapphires, I love everything. But I think there's a certain classic quality to diamonds. And I always feel that will always be in. I'm saying because they just look so pure and so white and so beautiful, and they just go with everything. It depends on the design. That's why we are promoting Indian designers, because they know how to mix Indian with contemporary, and nowadays a lot of Indian clothes have started getting a contemporary edge to it. So I think Indian and contemporary mixed these days, at least for young girls and young women who are planning on getting married, I think young designs look really beautiful. I think I'm doing enough for myself. I don't want to do more than this. I think it's better to concentrate on few but quality. I think whether I'm endorsing the JPEG or it's always the best. Whether I'm endorsing any other products, I've always decided to endorse the best. Even if it's few and far between, I'd rather do few things and do quality things than do too many. Quality is always over quantity for me, always. For festival season, I think it's best to go traditional, especially for us Indians, because we can carry it off. We can carry off color, we can carry off sardosi, we can carry off bling because of our beautiful brown skin tone, because everything just looks good. If you're too fair or too dark, I think Indians, bright clothes don't look so nice. But because we have this beautiful sun-kissed brown skin, all colors, all jagmag looks beautiful. So be traditional, be Indian, it looks the best for festival season. I think it's to promote jewelry, to promote the council, to promote new designers and current designers that we have. We have some of the biggest jewelry houses in our country, and they are all a part of the council. So to promote it is my main responsibility, to wear it is my responsibility, and so I will be doing that in the future. I think something like what I'm wearing right now, it's because it's such a large piece. The earrings, if you see, they're very large. I think it looks nicer with an evening gown. But if I have to wear something during the day, it has to be simple. It has to be like small studs, like 25-cent studs. You know, small diamonds, or like a watch, or just like a tennis bracelet or something like that. But nothing more than that, because it's too much for the day, especially in India where the weather is like this. But in the evening, then I go all out and wear something huge like this, which is stunning. Can I keep it?